welcome back to my channel for a Walgreens deals video, and this will be the deal that starts on 6/23 to 6/29. And thank you all for joining me. If this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video, and let's check these deals out. The first deal I have is on Gillette Deodorant. They're on sale for $7, and when you buy 3 you get $5 register reward. Pick up 3. All 3 will total $21. We have a 5 off 3 digital coupon that will drop it down to 16. You can use register reward or Walgreen cash to pay for this deal. Unless you're using a spend booster, then you have to pay cash. But if you're not using any spend booster, pay the $16 with your register reward or Walgreen cash. Then you get $5 register reward back. And that will make each deodorant just $3.67 or $11 for all 3 of them. We still have the Nivea body wash still going on, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2 you get $5 Walgreen cash. Pick up 2 Nivea women body wash. Their price is $7.99, but because of the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $4. These 2 will total $11.99. We currently have a 5 off 2 coupon that will expire on Saturday, but if we get a new one on Sunday, adjust your math. I will explain this without any coupon. So you have to pay the $11.99 and get back $5 Walgreen cash. That will end up making both just $6.99 or $3.50 each. The next deal I have will be on Rebate Care. The body washes are on sale for $7 each, and when you buy 3 you get $3 register reward. Pick up 3 body washes at $21 for all 3. Use the 3 off 3 we will get on Sunday. That's what the flip ad says. It will drop it down to 18 and you get $5 register reward. That will make all 3 just $13 or $4.33 each. The next deal I have will be on Whole Blend Organic Fruities Hair Care. They're on sale for 2 for $8, and when you buy 2 you get $3 register reward. You can pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon that will receive on Sunday, and that will drop it down to 5. You can use register reward or Walgreen cash to pay for this deal, unless you're using it with a spend booster. Then you will get your $3 register reward back, making both just $2 or $1 each. The next hair care deal I have will be on Love Beauty and Planet. They're on sale for $9. Pick up 2 for a total of $18. We will receive a 9 off 2 digital coupon, which will drop it down to $9 for both or just $4.50 each. The next deal I have will be on Angel Soft Bath Tissue, the 6 mega rolls. They're on sale for 2 for $9, but when you buy 3 you get $3 register reward. Pick up 3 for a total of $13.50. On Sunday, we will receive a $1.50 off 3 digital coupon that will drop it down to 12 and you get 3 back, making all 3 just $9 or $3 each. The next deal I have will be on Select Bounce Downy Gain or Tide Simply Laundry Cares. They're on sale for 4 for $10. It's not giving back any register reward or Walgreen cash, but if you need any of these products, you can roll your register reward or your Walgreen cash, and that will make each one just $2.50. Or you can also check out the Walgreen brand laundry detergent on sale for $1.99. And the next one will be the Walgreen brand trash bags on sale for $1.99. The next deal I have will be on Canada Dry. It's not giving back any register reward or Walgreen cash, but the 12 packs are on sale for 3 for $11.99. Pick up 3, pay $11.99, and that will make it just $4 for each pack. The next soda deal I have is on Pepsi. They're on sale for buy 2 get 2 free. Pick up 4 12 packs. Their price at $9.99. That means you're paying for 2 and you're getting 2 free. And the total amount you pay for these 4 packs will be $19.98 plus tax, making each one just $5. Last soda deal I have in this video will be on Coca-Cola or Dr. Pepper products. They're on sale for 3 for $15.99. Pick up 3 12 packs, pay the $15.99, making each pack just $5.33 each. This concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.